What's up guys, Brian here, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to go over mindset and how I've already made over 4,000 bucks in the first week of July selling cash secured puts and covered calls. And this is what I legitimately teach on this channel. It's super simple strategy. It's what I've been doing for a few years, and I could go over any questions that I keep seeing in like my comments or the Discord, anything like that. And remember, none of this financial advice is just personally what I've been doing for the last few years, and that's how I've built my portfolio and how I continue to just plan to grow it until it hits certain benchmarks where I will no longer have to. Like the goal is like baseline is have like $1 million stock portfolio, and like 500k of it will be for doing the wheel strategy. Another 500k will be in like ETFs and safe investments in that sense. But let's go into what I'm personally been doing, so we can look at my Discord here real quick. Let's see if this goes to it. Looks like it. Let me open up full here. So this is the Discord. It is free. You can see my trades, my friend John's trades, and it could ask a lot of questions on the trade floor, questions, chart requests, all that. So for me, just in the first week of July, and I guess the second week of July now, because this is the second week, I've already made 4,720 bucks. I made most of the money on the first week. And from all my positions, a lot of them end this week. So a lot of them will be expiring this week, and I'll either get assigned or expire worthless, where I'll be able to get all my cash back, or I'll have shares to do covered calls or cash secured puts. And this is honestly what I've been doing. I stagger my plays to make sure that there's cash always freeing up almost every week for about 4 to 6 weeks. And like I said before, I believe July should be one of my bigger months. Last month I got right under 8k, I believe. I could scroll up here and I could give you exact number. So for June, I got 7,786 bucks, like 708.06 actually right here. Got really close to the 8,000, and I believe I could actually hit that this month, or maybe even get like a 5-figure month. And how I've been doing is using Palantir, Nvidia, Tesla. I'm probably gonna let my Tesla shares and all that just get taken away from me, because I kind of don't want it right now. I just want to like head down, eyes forward on like Palantir. I've been doing pretty well on Webull, SoFi, and there's a few other ones I've been looking into, but Palantir is like the moneymaker for me. And obviously we could go sell put. So when the questions is like, would you buy at this marker of 140, like near all-time highs? I always said that this is like a $200 stock, but there should be a pullback at some point, especially that earnings is coming up. I believe it's August, like this week of August 1st, so you could make big plays, big splash plays, but there's usually a pullback around earnings plays. But for but I did a few plays for August 8th at 130 when it was a little bit closer, but I could still get 640 bucks for doing that. 640 bucks per contract. That is a lot of money because of the earnings play. Another play that I just did, it's a little bit riskier, is QuantumScape, because it's having this big run up. Their earnings is coming up pretty soon as well. I'm not sure I'll do too well, but earnings is around a little bit after July 25th. And I did a 7.5. Wow, this is actually okay. Sell put 7.5. That's not even good anymore. Was it July 25th or August 1st? Let me look at my I feel like it was July 25th, but let me look at really quick at my Fidelity. Let's see. Yeah, July 25th. And I got 317 bucks for 7 contracts, which is pretty good, and that's a 6% on your money. And this is kind of like a riskier play, so it's QuantumScape, it's batteries, and it's EV batteries, so it's a thought process, and we could look into that as well. Like like what I always go towards is I'm not really premium chasing here, but I'm cool with holding this long term because it's below $10. And I do believe eventually this will be a very big company because of like solid state batteries and EV becoming bigger and bigger throughout the US. And then the next portion that I want to get into is mindset. So a common question that I see in like the Discord is I was just asked, I know a few people got in SoFi pretty like around like ten bucks, and now that it's like at 20, and a lot of some of these guys put like covered calls like 2-3 months out. I don't usually recommend 2-3 months out, usually around like a month to 45 days. They're saying, what should I do with my $15 covered calls? And my answer to that is let it get called away. You're already winning. You're already profitable. You bought it like 8, 9, $10, even like $12, and now it's past 15, and just take the profits and keep playing. I wouldn't roll it out because you're keeping the stocks locked up too long. You're keeping the money locked up too long, and the whole point is to make income. Yeah, like it's at $20 and you're missing out on appreciation, but that's the risk that we're taking with covered calls to cash secured puts. You limit the upside to gather to collect income. So once you get that through your head and that you're after the income and not necessarily the appreciation, like the whole point is to gather income. The appreciation is just an extra. Like that's why if you sell above your cost basis, you should always be happy. Like selling these covered calls above cost basis, you should always be happy, because if it does pass it, like it is for SoFi, is for Palantir, is for Nvidia, you should be happy with the profit that you're going to get. And that's what a lot of people have a problem with getting through their head, or understanding, or missing out on the upside. Your portfolio is still going to grow. You have to understand that your portfolio is still going to grow, and you have to just be okay with the strike price. You are literally signing a contract to sell your stocks at a certain price. Make sure you're okay with doing it, even if it blows past it. It took me a little bit of time, even for me, to understand that. But once I did, my strategy became more clear and crisp. And now it's cool. I made a profit. Yeah, I missed out on some money, but it's what I chose. And now, at least now, my money's freed up and I could play other plays, cash secured puts at that same price. You're still going to make money. The whole point of this is to make money, guys. And that's one of the biggest things. So it's a simple mindset game. And once you get through to that, you're going to do really well with the wheel strategy. And again, if you want to learn more, got a free Discord. If you wanted some hand holding, I do have a course. And then once you finish the course, you could always book a one-on-one with me, and that is free if you buy the course. And I will also put out a code, just the number 36, because I just turned 36 on July 6th. I'm going to keep it up for the end of the month for all of July. If you put 36 in the stand store, when you check out for the course, you will get 36% off. So let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys very, very soon. Peace.